This is the routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the range of Thursday, October 31st to Wednesday, November 6th. Taking a look at the key points over the next week, high pressure is going to bring near record warmth today and tomorrow ahead of a cold front. There is some dense fog possible across southern counties late tonight that will not affect anything this evening. There is a very slight chance of a shower Friday afternoon and evening with the cold front, but we wouldn't be surprised if nobody ends up having any rain from that. Behind the cold front, temperatures will drop, but they will still end up remaining at least slightly above normal into all of next week. And the weather will be dry again until Wednesday and Thursday with the next cold front that will be approaching. For anybody who's going to be outside tonight for trick-or-treating, it is going to be warm. Like I said, near record warmth today. So you can end up seeing that the temperatures for anybody venturing out, I believe sunset is sometime between 6 and 7 o'clock. The temperatures are still going to be in the 70s around sunset itself, falling into the upper 60s and the lower 70s by 8 p.m. Severe thunderstorm potential, we aren't really looking at any chance of thunderstorms in our forecast area. If you take a look at this accumulated precipitation forecast, you can see that there is some spotty rain being shown on Monday across the state. However, that forecast is issued at a national perspective, and locally, none of the North Carolina offices have any rain in the forecast. So I really do think that they aren't even showing anything for Friday. And again, we think the chances for rain are minimal. But it really does look like we'll be waiting until next Wednesday or Thursday for any sense of accumulating rain. So needless to say, the excessive rainfall outlook is not a concern today, tomorrow, Saturday, or Sunday and Monday. We take a look at the latest drought update. This was updated this morning. It contains data through Tuesday morning. If you take a look at the bottom right part where it ends up showing the table, it shows that 60% of the state has been added into the abnormally dry category this week. And officially, drought does not begin until D1, which we do have 3% of the state in the northeastern corner. So most of our forecast areas listed as abnormally dry because most places have had less than 1/4 of an inch of rain this month. That being said, October is typically one of the driest months across our forecast area. Taking a look at the 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook, there is one area in the Caribbean with a limited chance of forming, and this would not end up being anywhere around North Carolina. Looking at the 8 to 14-day temperature and precipitation outlook, it continues to look warm. That's going to be a 60 to 70% chance of above normal temperatures across central North Carolina. A slight chance of above normal precipitation for that November 7th to 13th time range. And you can see at the bottom that I ended up choosing November 10th, and that the normal temperatures across our forecast area around the mid 60s, and the typical lows are in the low to mid 40s. Looking at the experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, I did mention that chance for some dense fog across our southern counties tonight. So that ends up showing up as both today and into Friday as well. So again, the summary, the high pressure will bring the near record warmth today and tomorrow, dense fogs possible late tonight. Could see a shower tomorrow afternoon and evening, don't bet on it. The next chance of rain will likely be Wednesday and Thursday with the next cold front. And again, you can see if you take a look at the local forecast for the Raleigh area, even if the high temperature forecast is 80 degrees tomorrow, it drops only to 71 for Saturday, and then it just starts climbing again after that.